Good day, everyone. I'm Leandro Castillo, one of the Technical Specialist Manager of Hightech Power Incorporated, and I'm in charge with electronics product line of Hightech Power Incorporated. As part of our allied program and electronics, I would like to present to you one of our powerful software for electronics, which is we have here the multifunction circuit design analysis and simulation. And the good thing about this software, you can use this both in online and in offline with the use of our two version, our online version and offline version. And the main features or the main capabilities of this software is to create an schematic design. And aside from that, you can use this also for PCB layout. And you can export the file needed for our CNC PCB maker. And it has also the capability, to check the design by the use of our design rule checking. And it also has the capability to show you the final looks of your design using our interactive animated 3D view. And also, we also have the support for 3D model or 3D modeling. So you can create your 3D model using our third-party software, using Solid Edge, SolidWorks, or even Google SketchUp. You can use that to create your 3D model and import that model to the software to view your final looks or to view the final looks of your design. Okay, and then the very powerful feature of this software is circuit analysis. So because this software not only intended to create a schematic design and PCB layout, but for you to understand the design that you are creating using circuit analysis. It helps the student or the end user to analyze the circuit with the use of this available circuit analysis in the software. Like, for example, we have the DC analysis, AC analysis, transient, digital Fourier, symbolic, and noise analysis. And it also has the bill of materials for you to check all the component that being used in your circuit. And also, it has the support for microcontroller and FPGA. As you can see, we have here from 8051 ARM, PIC microcontroller, and even Arduino, and even microcontroller from Texas Instrument. And not only that, we this software also support the FPGA. And to program your FPGA, so you have to use the hardware description language. This software also support the two main common hardware description language that being used nowadays, which is we have the VHDL and Verilog. And it also has the capability to check your circuit by the use of our electronic rule checking. So it can check the error, it can check for the hanging component, it can check for the abnormality of your circuit. And also, it has the capability to create your teaching material by the use of our education and training. Like, for example, we have here the question type of material that you can use for your teaching material, that you can use as a teaching materials. So that answerable by multiple choice. So not only that, you can also use graphics or picture to insert into your material, even graphs and even components. So, and next is you can also design a problem solving type of question wherein you can restrict the student or the end user to answer it correctly. And you can also design a material like troubleshooting or like a fault hunting. So you can input fault in every component that you are going to use in your circuit. And also, it has the capability to give you some pre-made circuit by the use of our e-learning content. Okay. So like, for example, this one, so it has the editable file that we have here. So the fully function editable file made for the end user. And it also support the communication. So you can design a communication circuit and simulate it here and analyze the circuit by the use of our Fourier transform or Fourier analysis using noise analysis, the DC analysis, and then the AC analysis. So with the help of that analysis, you can check and you can understand the behavior of your circuit. Okay. So before I end this presentation, I would like to leave you this quote from Albert Einstein. He says, insanity doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different result. And also from Benjamin Franklin, he says the only thing that is more expensive than education is ignorance. Again, this is Leandro Castillo, one of the technical specialist manager of High Tech Power Incorporated. Thank you very much and God bless.